As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two gas grills, the Char-Broil Classic and the Weber Traveler Compact. Both propane, obviously.
Yeah, I see them. The Char-Broil is way cheaper, like $139 versus $299 for the Weber. Big difference right off the bat.
True. But let's dig into the specs. The Char-Broil has two burners and a side burner, which is nice for keeping sauces warm. 20,000 BTUs total. The Weber only has one burner, so no side burner action there.
Right, but the Weber is all about portability. It's designed to fold up and fit in a car trunk. The Char-Broil, while smaller than some grills, is still 37.5 pounds and more of a backyard kind of thing. The Weber is a bit heavier at 49 pounds, but that's because of the folding frame.
Good point. Dimensions-wise, the Char-Broil is wider, but not as deep. Cooking area is 280 square inches. The Weber doesn't explicitly state a square inch measurement, but it says it fits about 12 burgers or 15 sausages, which sounds similar.
The Weber boasts porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are supposed to be better for searing and heat retention. The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated wire grates. Probably not quite as good, but easier to clean and replace, maybe?
Possibly. The Char-Broil has a 5-year burner warranty, which is pretty solid. The Weber doesn't specify its warranty length in the details. Both are made in China, by the way.
Okay, so if you want something for camping, tailgating, or a small patio, the Weber Traveler Compact seems like the clear winner. It's designed for easy transport.
But if you are mainly grilling at home and want a side burner for extra cooking flexibility, and you're on a budget, the Char-Broil Classic could be the better choice. Plus, that burner warranty is pretty tempting.
Yeah, it really depends on how you plan to use it. If you're moving it around a lot, the Weber wins. Otherwise, the Char-Broil seems like a solid, more affordable option. What about the customer reviews?
The Char-Broil has a ton more reviews. 2,700 versus only 43 for the Weber. Both have decent ratings, around 4 stars. Customers say the Char-Broil is good value for the money, but some had issues with assembly. The Weber folks praise its portability and build quality.
Seems like both are good grills, just for different needs.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.